In my last video, I showed you all how to wash your hair in twist in order to prevent tangles and to save time. Now, I know a lot of you were scared that your hair will lock up if you try this technique. So in this video, I want to show you how I retwist my hair after washing it in twist. I want to show you the safe method I use so that my hair doesn't lock up, tangle or cut. So if you would like to see the step-by-step process, please keep on watching. So as you can see, the first thing I do is to section my hair into 4. I have 40 twists on my hair, so I'm just going to be working section by section. And then here I'm going to be mixing my leave-in conditioner and oil and warm water together. Guys, you can take this and use it individually, but just to save time and because I didn't just want things to be complicated, I mixed all the products together and I'm going to be using it to retwist my hair. I'm showing you this demo in real time. So the first thing I do is to find any space in the twist at the top. So I'll put my hand into that space and then I'll use the other hand to twist in the opposite direction. So as I'm twisting in the opposite direction, the twist is unraveling, and then that hand I put in the space I found, I'll just be dragging it down to make sure that the twist opens, as you can see. And then that unraveled twist, I'm going to also twirl in the opposite direction, put my hand in and open it up. Guys, trust me, if you try this method, it would always work for you and it's going to unravel any tangled twist. And then because this was the front twist, I actually started with a braid, so I'm going to also unravel the braid so that I can detangle the hair properly. So you're going to want to take your time doing this. For every twist I did from start to finish, it took me about 5 minutes and there were about 40 twists on my hair, so it took me 2 hours to get through this process. So you're going to want to just gently detangle, separate, use your fingers and just feel for knots and slide the shed hair out of your hair. I'm just going to be taking the leave-in conditioner, oil and water that I mixed together, and I'm going to be applying it to the length of my hair. Also, I'm going to be using it to detangle further to just make sure that the hair is completely detangled. Guys, in this process, because I'm dealing with such a small section of hair, I actually do not use comb at all. So this is actually a very great way to save all the length on your hair, to make your hair grow. This is a very good strategy to grow your hair. Now I'm starting the twisting, but I'm starting off with braiding first. The reason I'm doing this is because this is the front of the hair, so in order to make it last more, I actually braid first, and then when I'm done braiding to a certain degree, I'm going to twist till the end. So I'm just going to let you guys watch now and just see how I twist. Twisting is easy, just pass the hair on each hand and then it's just going to form the twist. There's no technique to it. Guys, if you're at this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification so that you can watch the next videos coming up because they're going to be so educative. Also, give this video a huge like and share with somebody that you know might need this method. To ensure that my ends are properly sealed, I reapply the moisture mix and then I twirl the end in. Guys, I don't twist till the very end because I don't want this twist to be hard to unravel. So this is what we're working with. As you can see, it's very juicy, it's nice, it's elongated. And guys, let me just tell you, for this twist, I'm actually not interested in clean parts. As long as the hair is well detangled and I didn't borrow from another section, I'm really good. So I'm just going to be repeating the exact same process in the remaining twist. I'm going to twirl against the twists and then just unravel it, and I'm going to detangle, apply my moisture mix and retwist. So as you can see, it's really good. But one thing I want to just say, guys, is that look, you can't keep a twist in your hair for like 1 month or let's say 2 months and expect it to be this easy. Obviously, it's going to be a bit more complicated. So if you want to use twists to grow your hair, I would say that the sweet spot is to leave it for like 2 to 3 weeks so that your hair doesn't tangle up so much, so that this process can actually work for you. As you can see, I just laid out a shared hair, and this is just like as easy as it goes. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the remaining process, and hopefully at the end of this video you would be able to repeat this process on your own hair. So please subscribe to this channel, and yes, enjoy the rest of the video. Finally, guys, as you can see, I'm done retwisting the hair and it looks so juicy. This style is going to last me for the next 2 weeks. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I'm happy doing twists because I can style it anyway and it's just beautiful and presentable. So please subscribe to this channel. Please tell a friend to tell a friend, share, like, and just tell me what you want, and definitely I'll recreate it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.